If you're behind in support, can your ex keep your kids from you? Let's discuss that issue. Hi, I'm Larry DeMarco. I'm a family law, workers' compensation, and personal injury attorney in Pennsylvania. The answer is no. Administratively, courts are organized into separate family law categories: support, custody, and divorce. Child custody and child support are separate. Good or bad behavior in one doesn't affect the other. Your ex can't withhold your court-ordered visitation if you are behind in child support, no matter how much you owe or how far you've fallen behind. There's a flip side to that coin. You can't stop paying child support because your ex isn't letting you see your kids. A judge issues an order, and that order is supposed to be obeyed. If you violate an order, you won't have a defense to bring up an unrelated issue. In both situations, support and custody, the remedy for violating an order is to file a petition for contempt. The courts handle violations of these two orders very differently: child support and child visitation. Courts are much more aggressive in enforcing support orders than they are in enforcing custody violations. Child support enforcement units will sometimes even act on their own without the support receiving parent even having to file a petition. Possibly they'll do it even after missing only one payment. And most hearings will be scheduled almost immediately, within weeks. In contrast, for a custody contempt petition, if you're not seeing your children, you might not get a hearing for several months or longer, and judges often don't want to hear any disputes unless there's a repeated pattern and deliberate violation of the order. The greater importance the courts play on support is related to financial incentives created by the federal government in Title IV of the Social Security Act. I discuss that more on other videos on this channel. If you're in a situation where your ex is keeping your child away from you because of your inability to pay support, you can do one of two things. File a petition to modify and reduce your support obligation. This will be effective if you've lost your job, had a pay cut, or became disabled from work. Act quickly, because in most states, including Pennsylvania, your obligation will only be reduced as of the date that you file. Second thing you can do is file a petition for contempt of custody after repeated, deliberate violations. If you're going to file a petition for contempt, be sure to meticulously follow the custody order to the letter, because the only way you can enforce an order is if you're following it as well. Keep a careful record of the violations and any evidence that will help prove the violation. Prepare for the other parent to deny it. Write things down. Keep a record. You'll need to prove more than one violation, and the hearing will be a relatively long time away, so don't forget and don't rely on your memory. Write it down. I hope you found this video helpful. Watch other educational videos on my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for new videos. To learn more about my legal services, click the links in the description section of this YouTube video or on one of the video links on your screen. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.